This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show you a few methods on how to check if this device is authentic or fake. So to start, open your keypad and here dial the *#06# code. Here you'll get both the IMEI numbers that are assigned to your smartphone, so take those numbers and the packaging or box that your phone came in. On it, find a sticker like this one and compare the IMEI numbers with, one another here. And if they match and correspond to one another respectively, that's already a good sign and, a good reason to think that you have an authentic Galaxy S24 Plus. To go in further, you can open the keypad again and input the *0# code. So this testing menu appears, so you can check a few options to see if they work or not. Here I need to draw all the squares and rectangles here to actually exit this. But I mean, if this test menu has been launched successfully or called for successfully, and all those testing things work, that means that you 100% own an authentic Galaxy S24 Plus, guys. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.